Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing all of my boxes. So if this is something that interests you, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my Birchbox because it actually came in a bag, and the bag says self-love is the best kind of love, and all of the 5 products were inside this bag. This is a great bag for, like, you know, quick grocery shopping. If you forgot a few things from the store, you just go in and, you know, it's great for those kind of things. I definitely will be reusing this little bag. Anyway, the first thing is an Anna Sui eye makeup remover. So this is what it looks like. We got a lovely mini size. Oh, it's a jewel face. I didn't realize that. Interesting. Definitely put that to the test. Next up is a Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. Ooh, this is great. So it is a targeted treatment mist high in relaxing bioactives to promote a good night's sleep and hydrate your neck and chest while you catch up on some this is great because spoiler alert, I've actually used up my mist that I had in my skincare project pan, so this will definitely be going in next. This is very nice, love that. Then inside we have the Anatomicals, the Shower of Love Bergamot Cream Body Cleanser. So this is just a little handy travel sized body wash. I am a little congested at the moment. I actually have a cold, a common cold. No, it's not corona. I'm pretty, like, 99% sure it's not. It's just the common cold. It's that time of year, I would say. So I don't know if I'll be able to smell anything. Oh no, got on my nose. No, I don't necessarily smell anything, unfortunately. But whenever my cold is gone and my stuffy nose is also, you know, recovered, then hopefully I'll be able to smell the scent of that. But you know, it's bergamot, so it has to smell nice. Okay, next up we have the Kiss and Smink, the Everything. So this is the product. I still have that little bit of gel on my nose. So basically this is an all-in-one stick. You can use it on your cheeks, on your eyes, and on your lips. I have my one in the shade Santorini. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna give you a little swatch here. So this is it. It is a lovely, oh, it has so much shimmer in it. I wonder how that's gonna work as a blush, but I guess we will see. Yeah, it seems creamy enough. Maybe it will work out as a cream blush. There you go, very dewy. Doesn't look bad, but you know, it's a make kind of product. Okay, you have to stay here, okay? And then the last little thing is the Organic Hair Natural Hair Care. This is a castor oil conditioner for all hair types. This is really nice. So you're supposed to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse well. Very interesting. I love hair care products in these boxes. I love to try out some different things, especially now that my hair, you know, has a little bit of a different color to it, a little bit of a, you know, a pinky hue going through it. But yeah, it was a nice box. Unfortunately we got the leaflet, but we didn't get the sneak peek for next month. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this month's Birchbox. Next up, let's talk about Glossybox. Now this month's box is so nice. It has a totally different texture. I have the Midnight Fantasy edition. There was another one, I think. I can't quite remember which one. Oh, but I think I can see it here. I could have gotten the Enchanted Spirit edition as well, but I got the Midnight Fantasy. Don't mind if I do. So let's open it up. And the first thing that I see is this Bubble Tea Stardust. This is a foaming bath powder in rose. I unfortunately do not have a bath, so I usually either keep them around until we go to a hotel, and if there is a bath I will take these with me, and if not I just pass them on to my friend, which they have a bath basically. And then the next thing is the Beauty Crop Stargazing Blush Duo. So this is what it looks like, and oh, so hard to open. This is what it looks like inside. So we have two different shades. I have my one in the Orient Glow shade, I guess. So there are two of them. One, two. Ooh, very interesting. Very, very pigmented. Wow, I was I was not expecting that, and both of them have a little bit of a shimmer to it, so we'll see how it will look on the cheeks, because I prefer a matte blush, a matte cheek kind of, you know, products, especially my bronzers and my blushes. But we'll see, maybe it wouldn't be too bad. Next up I have the Illamasqua Hydra Gel. So this is a hydrating primer from Illamasqua. I used to own it before. This is what it looks like. So you open it up, it's actually sealed, so I'm not going to open it up because I want to use up some of my primers before I go into the next ones. But I had this before and I absolutely loved it. It is very, very hydrating, but it does not leave a greasy film on the face. It is just beautiful, it's just lovely. Then the next thing is the AHC Essential Real Cream Eye Cream for Face. Give it to me. He stole this from the bin. Just tiny. Next up is the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So that's interesting. This is what it looks like. And this is a concentrated eye cream that you could use either underneath your eyes or all over the face as a serum. That's very nice because I am really running low on my eye cream in my PM skincare, which is in my skincare project pan, and I was kind of wondering, what am I going to do when I run out of it? I was looking at, you know, at buying an eye cream, the Kiehl's Avocado Creamy Eye Cream. But now I don't have to, so this is a very, very nice. And then I have a Luna by Luna lipstick, and I have my one in the shade Pixie. So this is what it looks like, and it is a an interesting shade. Now I'm not 100% sure if I want to swatch it, or maybe if I want to give it to a friend brand new, or possibly sell it. I don't like bullet lipsticks, that's it. I just don't enjoy using them, so I do not know. I might pass it on because I don't like bullet lipsticks. That's all it is. And then the last little thing that we got is a treat, and this is the Cadbury Dark Milk. This is a both rich and creamy chocolate in original. So yeah, that's very, very nice. Okay, so 4 out of the 5 products that I have received in Glossybox are nice. 3 of them I will definitely use. I will not use this, and I probably will not use this lipstick because I just don't use lipsticks. That's what it is. But next month we are going to get the LA Splash eyeshadow palette, and this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So so quite neutral, very nice. This would be great for like a warm Halloweeny look, but yeah, we're gonna get it in November. So yeah, not a bad box. I actually quite like the 3 products that I will definitely be using, so yeah. And last up I have my LookFantastic box, and it is so packed because we got a glove soft hair wrap. This is so nice because it's basically like a turban that you put on your head after you wash them, and it's supposed to decrease drying time, and it's just supposed to be more gentle on your hair than a regular towel. This is really nice. I'm so excited about that. Next up, I have a Star Skin eye catcher. This is a smoothing biocellulose eye mask. So basically this is a an under eye kind of under eye patches. So what it's supposed to do, just smooth, yeah, just smoothing. Interesting. I like them. I will probably start putting them into my project pan to kind of use them up, but we'll see. Okay, interesting. Next up, I have a bubble tea Earl Grey bath tea. So okay, so what is it? It contains 100 grams of tea infused bath salts to relax and, you know, just let you enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a bath, so I will either keep it or give it away to my friend. I'm pretty sure her and her son will be delighted. Okay, next up, I have the E-Cooking Overnight Foot Cream. Oh, very nice. It treats and moisturizes. Now, you will probably hear me talk in my next empties about my foot problem. It's not pretty. My feet are very dry, very kind of scaly. It's just not a great kind of thing to have. But recently I've started to really take care of my feet and moisturize them and spray them with different sprays, and, you know, just take good care of them, and it has been helping. But what I used to do is I used to just put my rich body butter on my feet to, you know, kind of moisturize them super extra, and it has been working for me. But I am very happy to have, you know, a an assigned foot cream that I can use and see if it helps. So I'm very excited about that. Okay, next up I have the Balance Me Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum. I know that this particular, I'll put the name of the ingredient here, is a plant derived alternative to retinol. I personally have never used retinol. I didn't find the need, and I felt like it was something that was a little maybe too not too difficult, but oh, what's the word that I'm looking for, complicated to use on my skin, because you have to, you know, not go out directly into the sun, wear sunscreen, and, you know, use it for a couple of days and stop, and so on and so forth. And, you know, it's really just not for me. But with this being a plant based alternative, maybe it works differently. We'll see. I'm interested. It's supposed to improve radiance, texture, and reduce fine lines and wrinkle, and also have an anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. Okay, and the last little thing is a by Terry product. This was the sneak peek that we got last month. This is a lip balm. So this is the Balm de Rose, and yeah, it's a lip balm. Now I am trying hard to just use up my lip balms because I have like 12, maybe not 12, but like 7 or something like that. I don't know. I have it all mentioned in my makeup inventory, and having another one kind of messes up my numbers, but I am using them up, so I will not be opening that one. I will open it when it is its turn to shine. But yeah, I am super happy with this month's LookFantastic box. This microfiber thingy, amazing. Foot cream, yes. This plant-derived plant-derived retinol alternative seems really good, and a by Terry product that is amazing. But I have a little sneak peek for you for next month, and next month we are going to get the Neo Bay Detox Oxygen Light Cream. So basically this is a moisturizer. Very nice. Never, you know, it's never bad to have more than one moisturizer in your collection, you know, as a backup and stuff. But yeah, that completes today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.